Hello INDIEGOGO. If you're wondering what could be so great about a belt, we're here to tell you. You may already know about the Smart Belt, as it has been backed by 36,000 people over the last 2 years, making our belt the most funded fashion accessory in history twice over. We have 4 innovations found together in no other product. First, we have eliminated the 5-hole system with an infinitely adjustable and incredibly exact track and ratchet buckle, going from holes 2.5 centimeters apart to only 5 millimeters. That's 500% more adjustability, and with a longer track, you have twice the range for perfect comfort. Imagine having a big meal and feeling tight. You go 1 hole up and your pants fall to your ankles. No more. Take up and down a bit just as you need, as your needs change depending on your position and time of day. 96% of our past backers say they never realized how much better a belt can be until they got their Smart Belt. Another level of freedom and comfort for any activity. A second innovation is the Kevalr Core that we added inside of our belts. We are the only licensee of DuPont authorized to make belts with the Kevalr brand. Belts wear out because they dilate and contract at a microscopic level. Kevalr, combined with vegetable tanned leather, makes for an ultra-durable belt, like nothing you've ever owned before. You will never need a next belt. It's guaranteed to be your exact size when you get it, because you will cut it exactly as you need it. No wrong size, just DIY, cut your leather strap to size. Speaking of leather, we have taken great care to source the most rare and exquisite traditionally vegetable tan top-grain leather. This type of leather is only made in a handful of places in the world and used only in ultra-high-end products. It will come with a certificate of authenticity and serial number. For the third version of the Smart Belt, here on backer request, we have added an exquisite line of leather that we call Gator. You will have 6 options of leather in 2 finishes and 3 colors for each. We've chosen to keep our full range of buckles in 3 colors and 2 styles. With 36 possible combinations, the Smart Belt will match any outfit and setting. We will start shipping the belts out at the end of August in order of backer number, so pledge now to get it sooner. With our track record and extensive experience with mega projects, we ship on time as we have done in the past. Shipping is friendly to most countries, and no backer is left out. Don't forget, you have a money-back guarantee. We were happy to see our satisfaction survey last year got our happy customer level to 96%, and that 97% of Smart Belt owners think it is better than any other belt. Just relax and get one. It will upgrade your daily level of comfort more than you can imagine, and you will be amazed at how good it looks and how long it lasts. Don't take our word for it. Listen to backers that already have it.
Hey guys, I just wanted to show that these are the best belts that you could get out there in the market. Just go for it. Don't think, get it.
So I got my belt about 6 months ago and I love this thing. One of the things I love is that there's been no wear and tear on my belt, which has always been my biggest problem. And the other is just how easy it is to adjust it. I find myself, when I'm sitting down, I'll loosen it up a little bit. When I stand up, I can give it a good snug adjustment. It's super easy. I love this thing.
Hi everyone, I've been wearing my Smart Belt 2.0 since the Kickstarter and I love it. It fits perfect and the quality is great. Pick one up.
It's not easy to find a belt that matches your illustrious blue beard, but Smart Belt delivers. It's easy to put on and I like it a lot and I want more, so please make more in different colors, even though blue is amazing. Thank you.
What I like about Smart Belt 2, innovative buckles, fine Italian leathers, multiple colors, and just pure performance and convenience.
Hello everybody, the Smart Belt 2.0 is the best belt I ever had because it fits.
Hi, Smart Belt 2.0. This belt is infinitely adjustable and super comfortable no matter how thick the pants you're wearing. If you're wearing a t-shirt, if you're wearing dress clothes or casual clothes, this is a great belt.
Previously, I'm having difficulty to find a nice belt for me because sometimes I lose weight, sometimes I gain weight. With this Smart Belt 2.0, solve all my problems.
Smart Belt 2.0, great leather and easy to use.
Hi, I'm wearing the Smart Belt and this is actually one of the absolute smartest belts you can ever have. It's easy to take off and it's also so easy to put on. I love this click. As you know, I mean, you can have different sizes during the day or during the night. I've used it a lot. It holds on perfectly. Perfect fit every time. I just love it.
This is my Smart Belt 2.0, which I got almost half a year ago, and since then I wore him almost every day. I'm still happy with the quality and the functionality, and a bit sad that I haven't bought one more.
Belt, ever since I got it a couple of months ago, it shows no signs of wear or tear, and it's really easy and comfortable to use. You just put it on and you zip it shut. My only regret is that I didn't get to buy more of the belts because they had some really nice models. So I'm looking forward for the Smart Belt 3.0. Cheers.
I bought this belt. I don't need to buy any more belts. They're so nice and durable.